This is the Razir LED headlight kit from HIDextra.com. I bought two kits, one for my low beams and another for my fog lights. Both are 6K H11s. Inside the box you'll find two Razir LED headlight bulbs, these are the two stock connector cables. These are the two specially designed polarity wires. The two Razir LED headlight bulbs. Seems to have a very high quality construction and design here. There's a fan inside here, as you can see, keeps it cool. There's a video on HID Extra's website that actually shows these bulbs to be waterproof and submerge them while active. This is the Canvas Smart Box. The kit comes with two of these. These are much smaller design than the traditional ballasts that come with HID kits. These are a fraction of the size. Here's the full kit. So these that are bundled up are the wires that connect to the stock connectors in your headlights. So you'll take the stock connector wire and make a connection to the polarity wire. Then you will take the polarity wire and connect it to the Canvas Smart Box. You will then take the Canvas Smart Box and connect it to the Razir LED headlight bulb. The driver's side low beam is kind of a pain to get to if you have large hands because of this battery frame here. You'll need to remove the cap. Mine had HIDs in it already, so this is the HID bulb I am removing and ballast. You'll need to drill a hole in the weather cap of your low beam if you haven't done this yet. If you do not wish to drill a hole through your weather caps, you could not use the weather caps, but then your entire headlight housing will be exposed to the elements. This is the stock headlight connection. And I'm inserting the headlight into the housing. You could connect it to the Canvas Smart Box before doing this, so it would make it easier actually. Here I am connecting it. This is where you will connect the stock connector . And the canvas to the Razir LED. Now you'll want to test the light to make sure it works before you zip tie or use electrical tape on anything. Here you can see what it looks like without the weather cap on it. Now for the passenger side, I had already removed and inserted the LED bulb here, so now I'm just feeding the wires through the weather cap. And connecting the CAN bus to the LED bulb. And the stock connection as well. You may want to use some electrical tape to close the holes a little bit more because there are no rubber grommets on this kit to seal that hole in the weather cap. Check your work, make sure the light comes on when you flip the switch. If it does not, check the polarity and you may need to switch a connector around. Here you can see the cap is back on. I will need to seal it up with some electrical tape there. And the headlights are done. The passenger side bulb is located under this hood right here. You can see the wire sticking out. You can reach up and twist the bulb and you can see it will come out there. I also had HIDs in this application. So just as you removed it, you'll reach back up in there with the new unit. And you can visually see how close you are and insert it and twist and lock it in place. This is the stock connector. You'll locate the corresponding part here and make the connection. The driver's side fog light is very easy to reach and very easy to do. I had already removed the bulb and inserted the new LED bulb. Test your connections, make sure the polarity is correct before you use electrical tape on anything. Stand back and admire your work. I believe upgraded lighting is a very key thing to have. It completely changes the appearance of your vehicle. It increases your visibility at night. It just makes the vehicle stunning. My next project will be swapping out the interior lights for LED bulbs, which is also what I've done in the past with other vehicles. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and check us out at theronanchronicle.com.